guys, my name is Sheikh Usama. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make flat illustrations into 3D version in Adobe Illustrator. I start doing the 3D magic. So, let's go. First, in a blank canvas, I'll select rectangle tool. Select the object. Go to edit and copy that and paste in front. Select Direct Selection tool and adjust the anchor points, and slightly rounding its corner. Now I'll select Ellipse tool. Okay. It's time to turn this into 3D. Go to Windows, and choose 3D and Materials, and then choose Inflate here. Make volume 25%, and depth 0.2 inches. Presets Isometric Right. Select these object, and choose Inflate. Same trick apply on these objects. Go to Presets. Select Isometric Top. Now I'll select Ellipse tool. Select the object. Go to Edit and copy that and paste in front. Select Direct Selection tool and adjust the anchor points. Presets Isometric Right. I'll select Rectangle tool. I'll select Star tool. Same trick apply on these. Presets Isometric Right. Now I'll select Ellipse tool. Same trick apply on these. And that's it. We are done. Hope you enjoy this short tutorial and learn something fun with this 3D Adobe Illustrator feature. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like to see more creative content. And I'll see you guys again next time.